Orlando Pirates will be aiming to restore pride when they host defending Carling knockout champions Magesi FC at Orlando Stadium on Tuesday evening, with kickoff scheduled for 7:30 p.m. The Buccaneers are still smarting from a dramatic exit in the CAF Champions League, where they were eliminated by DR Congo's Pop on penalties 5-4 following a thrilling 3-3 aggregate draw last Saturday. That bitter disappointment has left Pirates desperate for domestic silverware, and the Carling Knockout Cup now represents their last opportunity to add a major trophy to their 2025 haul. Despite their continental heartbreak, Soweto Giants entered this quarterfinal with renewed confidence. Pirates remain unbeaten in regulation time across the last two fixtures, highlighted by a commanding 3-0 win over Lupopo at Orlando Stadium in the first leg of their CAF clash. The Carling Knockout Cup has historically been elusive for Pirates. Since the competition's inception in 1982, the Buccaneers have lifted the trophy only once in 2011, when it was still known as the Telkom Knockout. Having already claimed the MTN 8 title earlier this season, Pirates are determined to complete the domestic cup double. They began this year's Carling campaign with a comfortable round of 16 victory over Siwelele FC and will be eager to maintain their momentum. Magesi, meanwhile, arrive in Soweto brimming with confidence. The Limpopo side are reigning champions, having famously eliminated Pirates in the last season's round of 16 en route to lifting trophy. This season, Dikwena Zamitsi have shown similar resilience, going unbeaten in the last two matches across competitions, including 2-1 Betway Premiership victory over TS Galaxy on October 18 and a hard-fought 3-2 win over Amazulu in the Carling knockout round of 16. Magesi now have the chance to make history, as no club has won back-to-back League Cup titles since Kaizer Chiefs in 2010. Pirates will benefit from the return of striker Evidence Makgopa and midfielder Talente Mbatsa, both rested during the Lupopo clash. However, Silalelo, Saboja, Makehleni Makaula and Thabiso Sisana remain sidelined with injuries. For Magesi, captain Elvis Chibasisi picked up a knock in the last outing, but coach John Mudaga has confirmed it is a minor, and the team faces no suspension issues heading into the tie. Key players to watch include Pirates winger Tsepang Moremi, who scored his sixth goal of the season against Polokwane City last week, and former Buccaneer Nganyiso Zungu, now a creative linchpin for Magesi. Zungu's vision and playmaking could prove decisive if the Limpopo side are to repeat last year's upset. With the Orlando Pirates set to be packed, Pirates will be determined to ensure history does not repeat itself and that the Carling knockout finally finds its way back to Soweto. Please like, comment, share and subscribe for more sports news.